Welcome in a universe community. I'm Sanchita Pandey and our topic today is changing from negative thoughts to positive. So what are the ways in which you can just shift your thoughts from negative thoughts automatically which come in your mind and you are aware of your thoughts, but you just want to change them from those negative thoughts to positive. So first is remove yourself from that negative space where you are in, or this negative space is not only present outside. Sometimes the person or place you may be thinking about, the incident you may be thinking about is not happening in the now. So let it go because it is good for you. So forgive because it is good for you. Don't forget, learn your lessons, and it is very necessary to move on. Once you move on, how will you move on till you delete that negative incident? So all you have to do is press the delete button and move on. Do not forget it so that you remember that you do not have to go back to that negative space, that negative person who you know is not for you. So those who push you down, you are not supposed to be kind to them, Your kindness must always begin from you. Your kindness includes you first. So to be kind to yourself means self-care, self-love. So any place or person who doesn't make you feel good, any place which doesn't make you feel good, you must keep away from such a place or person. Now, a very beautiful and simple way of shifting from negative thought to positive thought is quantum mind. Shift your thought to something positive. So you are not actually fighting with that negative thought because there are thousands of thoughts coming in your mind. So you cannot take care of every thought which is coming in your mind. All you can do is take care of how you are feeling. Now, when you think of something negative, it just comes automatically in your mind. So naturally, you are not feeling good during that time. So in order to shift your mood, you have to shift your thought first. So quantum mind means shifting that negative thought, replacing that negative thought with something positive. Just think of something you are good in, or a place you would like to travel, a beautiful incident with your friend or family, any beautiful thought you can think of, something you have read. Yet another way of shifting your thought to something beautiful is learn something new. Because when you learn something new, it requires a lot of concentration. You just have to put in absolute effort and concentration if you want to learn something new, and so the negative thought just goes off from your mind and you are into something new, and then you are learning something new, you are moving forward. A beautiful way to shift your thoughts is just pick up a beautiful book, something you love to read, and that will become the input for your thoughts, and that will keep you thinking beautiful thoughts because of something nice you have read in that book. Playing with children, playing with pets is a wonderful way of shifting your thoughts from negative to positive, because children look at the world from an absolutely new light with so much innocence and with so much of surprise. Every little thing surprises them. Oh, look at the moon, look at the sun. And when you look at these beautiful things from a different perspective, from a child's perspective, it is like you're looking at the world around you with new eyes. You become more aware of the flowers, of the playground, of beautiful things, and the little things make you happy. Just like children are just giggling all the time, you can just keep smiling, focusing on everything beautiful you see around you or in your life. Anything beautiful, the little blessing in your life that can make you smile. First smile and then you'll actually smile. So even if things are not going on right in your life, just smile. Looking at something beautiful, that flower, that person you like, anything. And yes, give gratitude. So You shift your thoughts from negative, that is complaining, this was not the right thing to do, to making a change with your awareness, that is shifting your thought to gratitude, giving thank you, saying thank you for all that is good in your life. So that will also bring your thought from negative to positive. Do something surprising for somebody, something nice, bring flowers for someone, or just make a call to somebody, anybody you like being with. And it is nice to talk to strangers because they don't judge you, you don't judge them, you don't have past memories flashing through when you talk to them. So going for window shopping, or going into to any mall near your house, or going shopping and just looking at things and talking to the shopkeeper or any stranger you come across, that is a nice way to feel good. You get lot of energy and your mind is like a clean slate, and now you're listening to something new. You are not biased, you don't have those past memories flashing back. So it is like, it is nice to talk to strangers. You also learn a lot, and your perspective about life changes. You get some new input, some new thoughts about life and living wherever you are. Even if you feel like crying, it is a good idea to just cry if you are not feeling quite good, but then let the emotions come out. That doesn't make you weak, that makes you more authentic. So you are embracing your emotions as they are. You are not lying to yourself. Let me smile even when things are not going on right. No, it is just to change your mood because it is good for you. But however, even if you want to cry, it is fine. Just cry, but don't exaggerate it or don't prolong it for a long time. You know it must stop. Accept the isness of what is. Accept it. Either make a change the place, change the person, cut off that person who doesn't make you feel good, but do something about it. And if it is an incident, it is like a person was released from the jail and he went into jail for no fault, and so he had to languish there in the jail for many years. After coming out, he said, I am forgiving all of you. Let me start a new life now. And his friend said, you will forget them so soon. So his answer was, okay, I am out of the jail, but if I keep on thinking about them and feeling this sense of hatred against them, it is like, although I am physically out of the jail, mentally I am still languishing in the jail. So you have to free yourself. And how do you free yourself? By forgiving, learning the lesson and letting it go. Let the past negative incident be where it belongs to. Delete it, let it be, and move on. Take the next step. Don't keep standing there staring at that negative incident, mulling over that negative incident. It will not serve any purpose. It will just give rise to more and more negative thoughts, and also it will make you feel like a victim. If you are a victim, you'll never sit and think negative thoughts for quite some time because you are aware of your thoughts. So awareness gives you the power to make that change in the now. So you will make the change. Go to sleep. If nothing works, just go and sleep. That's it. And when you get up with renewed energy and interest for life, new inspiration. Think of something you love to do and just give more time to that, so that you have more creative ideas. So you have just replaced those negative thoughts with something creative to do, something creative to think, better ways to show up your creativity. So that is how you change your thoughts. And by accepting, you see, the circumstances may be the same, but your response to circumstances can change as you accept whatever is happening in your life. When you have faith, when you choose not to worry and have more faith, you take charge of your life. You take charge of your life by thinking about what changes you can make, what changes in thought, what changes in place you can make. And the best way is to change your perspective about whatever is happening. You know, this too shall pass. So this cannot be forever. Even the strongest of storms will never last forever. And you should know the difference between whether you can change something or not, or whether you have to move away from there. So if this is something you cannot change, going back to the negative place which has made you negative, or which is giving rise to negative thoughts, will never work. You cannot heal in the same place which made you ill. So you have to know the difference, whether you can make a change, or you have to change, or you have to change the place altogether. Whatever works for you. What is important is to take a pause and think and rethink about it, because it is your life and every moment is so precious. So talking to someone you love, thinking about someone you love, thinking about how you can take better care of yourself. Just sit and take care of yourself. Go for a nice haircut. Go window shopping. Buy something beautiful, a nice dress for you. You require a reward from yourself sometimes. Reward yourself. Give yourself a gift sometimes for anything that you have done well. So that is how you reward yourself, and it makes you feel so good. You deserve that reward, and don't wait for others to reward you. So that is how you make yourself feel better. You make yourself feel good. You can also sit and write down whatever it is that makes you worry or think negative. And after you have written down everything about this person or the incident, just tear off the page and make a resolution not to go back to it again. So that is also another way of changing your thoughts from negative to positive. You have to remember that your self-talk must be positive. So never beat yourself for the mistakes you have made. Never feel guilty about it. So this is something you must always remember, that your self-affirmations and self-talk must be positive all the time. You see, everybody makes mistakes, but thinking about your mistakes and then feeling guilty about it is not done. So it is fine to make mistakes. All you have to do is learn your lessons and move on. That is it. These are not failures. These are experiences that you gain during the journey, and this journey is so important. Also see if there are people around you who do not make you feel quite good. So you have to keep yourself away from those people who push you down. So because all that they say become the inputs for your subconscious mind, and somewhere that energy is received, and then you do not understand why is it you are feeling low in energy, and this also may give rise to negative thoughts. So these are some ways in which you can change your thoughts from negative to positive. Make use of quantum mind, that is replacing negative thoughts with positive thoughts. Go for a walk, have a bath. Having a nice shower is like meditation. Yes, you can sit and meditate or do something you love. That is also as good as meditation. Surprise someone, surprise yourself with a gift. So these are some ways you can change your thoughts from negative to positive. Let me know how you liked the video, and also try these in your practical life and think positive. Keep smiling. Life is so beautiful all the time, regardless of what is going on outside. It all depends on how we are perceiving somebody or something in our life. Make it look big, it is big. You are always bigger than your circumstances. Remember that, and the universe has your back. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. You know it. I love you, and I send you my love and blessings. We'll meet again with a new topic for you. If you are here for the first time, remember to subscribe and let me know how you like this video. And if you have any new point that can shift thoughts from negative to positive? I would love to know that. So do write your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Namaste.